everyone, in this video we want to talk about how to change the default unit in SolidWorks. If I open the part and change the unit from right down, for example change to IPS, if I close the part and again open new part, the unit will back to mmgs. If I want to change this unit for all time, I go to the templates folder of SolidWorks in this path. I drag and drop part file in SolidWorks and change the unit from here, for example change to IPS, and I will save this file and close the part. If again I open new part, default unit will change to IPS. By this way we can change the default unit in SolidWorks.